Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to hide your apps on iPhone, and I'll be teaching you two ways. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is keep on pressing on any of the pages, and you see the bubbles down here behind on top of the messaging app and the camera app. Click it, and here you can select the pages that you want to show. And if you don't want to show a certain application, like for the first page I don't want to show all the Google application, I can just unclick it and that page will not show up. But right now I want to show all the apps, so I will just click on all of the ticked ones. So this is the first method on which you can hide some of your apps on iPhone. So you can create a separate page in which you want to hide the apps from, and just not select that page. So the second method is go to your settings, and then go a little bit down to Siri and search, and then you want to click on the application that you want to hide. So Instagram, and then you want to turn off show app in search and show on home screen. So if you turn this off, then you will not be able to see the application in your home screen and your iPhones. This is the quick and easy method, two methods on how you can hide your apps on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below, and if you have any more questions regarding the issue, then please leave it on the drop box below. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's me, Elise, signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.